This is one of our featured products. It is a Wilton 14-inch vertical bandsaw. It is 1 horsepower, 220 volt, 440 volt, 3-phase. It's variable speed, and it appears to be unused. In fact, it's in very good condition. However, it does have some shipping distress, and we're going to show you right here. This entire trunnion piece that holds the table on, well, it got smashed up pretty good, and it took out a lot of the parts right here. So basically all these parts in here, I would say maybe most of them will have to be replaced. The table itself is in good condition. Of course, it's so heavy that it caused these parts to break during shipment. So those parts will definitely need to be replaced. Although we have it powered up, and we're going to show you that it works very nicely. We currently have it in the low variable speed position here. I'm going to press the start button, and voila, runs very nicely. There's a very nice little speed control dial here. Turn it. Got a little bit of vibration there. No big deal. Shut the machine off. So there you have it, the Wilton 14-inch vertical bandsaw. And we thank you for looking at our product.